Take a look at this new 2014 Ram 4500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This 4500 boasts a 6.7-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Quick Order Package 29H Laramie, Convenience Group, Cold Weather Group, Transmission, 6-speed auto as an S69 RCHD, 4.10 rear axle ratio, Engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins Turbo Diesel, Black, leather trim bucket seats, cargo lamp, chrome body side molding, black clear coat, radio, Uconnect 8.4nm FNSX MHDBT nav, single disc remote CD player, full-size spare tires, 225/70R 19.5G all traction, park view rear backup camera, power adjustable pedals with memory, remote start system, transfer case skid plate shield and the trailer brake control. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.